This is the remote control that comes with Vanuatu Transparent Zero speakers. It's comfortable to hold thanks to its soft satin finish, but its functionality is where it really shines. Let's go over each command on the remote. These buttons are used to select your input. The options are analog, Bluetooth, USB, and optical. The coax button is not used with Transparent Zeros. This button enables auto input switching that automatically selects the input to be used. This is set by default when you get your T0s. The mute button mutes the T0s, and these commands increase and decrease volume. This enable button is important. You'll need to press it before you press any of the other buttons inside the white box. Once you do, you have 15 seconds to start using the other buttons. Each time you press one of those buttons, the 15-second timer starts the countdown again. If you stop pushing the buttons inside the white box for 15 seconds, you'll need to push the enable button for them to start working again. Each time you press the treble up or down buttons, the treble will increase or decrease by 1 dB. Pressing the treble mid button will reset it to 0 dB gain again. This is likewise the case with the bass up and down and mid buttons. The function 1 button is ignored by Transparent Zero for now. That command has been reserved for future use. This remote control is powered by a CR2032 battery. To replace it, you just slide it out at the bottom like this. Slide it back in when you have your replacement battery. Keep in mind that Transparent Zero is listed in the Harmony library, so any Harmony remote control will work. And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoy your Transparent Zeros.